Well, good afternoon and welcome back to Northern Maine Productions. We're going to take a look at take a look at this box of new parts that we got for this Wisconsin BKN. See if we got everything and see if it's the right stuff. So there's a set of points. Yep. I'm not going to replace the points in this thing, I don't think, but I am going to replace the condenser. This thing's got a 70-year-old condenser in it, so that looks good. Brand new D16 spark plug. I think this is the most important part that I need. Ignition coil. This is probably the most important part. That's the part that's bad in mine. So, tab and a screw. Just gonna put that back in there for a minute. We got one last box. Hopefully this will be the coil cover. Yeah. Brand new. And a new gasket. It's awesome. Wow. Looks like maybe we can work on assembling this stuff. So this is all ready to accept that new coil. I suppose it probably makes a difference which way this goes in there, but it's fully seated back in there. Alright, so I got the Magneto back together, verified their spark. Got the wrong kind of plug wire on there. I'm gonna get a new piece of wire for it, but this is just an automotive one here. But I have started it, verified that it does run, and we'll do this is a hot restart right here, right now. Runs pretty good. The engine is fully warmed up, yeah, that runs a whole lot better. The only thing I might do to this, I may adjust the valve lash on it. It sounds like the valve lash is a little bit loose on it, but I'm not too concerned about that, I guess. I believe these engines have got adjustable valve lifters down in here. I'd have to take the carburetor off the engine and take that cover off there. Yeah, so everything fit in there good. I reused the original point. The original points were still in very good condition, so I reused them. I put a new condenser, a new cap, and a new coil in this, and a new spark plug, and that got it going. These parts fit on there pretty well. The only issue I had, this cap's a little bit thicker than the original one was, and for whatever reason some of the threads are stripped out on the bottom left side of this Magneto, so I just found a longer screw and I put a longer screw in there, and that's no issue now. So sounds pretty good. So I guess I just discovered when I went to put this wire back on there that the wire is actually cracked. It does still run with that on there, but well, anyways, I guess I'm gonna call that good. Bye bye.